Hello, let's solve this wire question together. The diagonal of a square is 60 centimeter. Calculate its perimeter. To solve this question effectively, we will be defining some basic terms. First, what is a square? A square is simply a quadrilateral with four equal sides. Assuming our square is something like this. Let's call this point A, this point B, this point C, and this point D. From our definition, it implies this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. Also, a diagonal is a line you draw from one corner to the opposite corner. It can be from this point to this point. From the question, we are given the diagonal as 60 centimeter. That is, CB is 60 centimeter. We are asked to calculate the perimeter. The perimeter of any figure is simply the total distance round the figure. To calculate this perimeter, it means we are going to be adding line AB plus BD plus DC plus CA. But unfortunately, we are not given the length of any of the sides. Now, let's assume the length to be x. Let's assume this length to be x. Now, this figure is a square. If this side is x, it means this side will be x. It means this side will be x. It means this side will also be x. Now, to calculate the perimeter of this square, the perimeter will be equal to 4x. Because x plus x plus x plus x will be equal to 4x. Now, our challenge now is to find the value of x. Now, to find the value of x, we can bring out this triangle. That is triangle CBA. If we bring out this triangle, we'll be able to find the value of x. Now, this triangle looks like something like this. This is C, this is B, and this is D. CB is 60 centimeter, BD is x, and CD is x. Don't forget, this is also 90 degrees. Now, we can use Pythagoras theorem to solve for the value of x. Now, this also implies this is our hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the remaining sides. That is, 60 square is equal to s square plus s square. This implies 60 square is equal to s square plus s square. Now, 60 square is 3600 equal to s square plus s square is 2s square. To find the value of x, we are going to be dividing both sides by 2. If you divide this side by 2, we also divide this side by 2. 2 we cancel 2. We will be left with s square equal to 3600 divided by 2 is 1800. To find the value of x, we will be finding the square root on both sides, so that this will become square root of this and square root of this. Square we cancel square, we will be left with x equal to the square root of 1800 can be expressed as 20 root 2, can be expressed as 30 root 2. It implies the value of x is this centimeter. Now, to find the perimeter is given as 4x. Now, P will be equal to 4 times 30 root 2, which is equal to 4 times 30 is 120 root 2 centimeter. So our perimeter will be 120 root 2 centimeter. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you.